Hello everyone and welcome to the Easy Drawing Time channel. Today we are going to draw and color a nice rainbow. Let's start drawing first. Let's draw a cloud like this. Then I draw another one next to it. And now we draw the rainbow itself. I'm going to connect the clouds with lines like this with semicircles bigger and bigger. Fantastic! Now, I'm going to use this thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. I love my pen. Let's start coloring. Now we're going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with red. I love my pen. Then I use orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. And purple. I color the clouds with this light blue marker. Excellent! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.